up, guys? Okay, I am going to use one of our new sets here at Shine, the Classic Set, and I want you guys to get ready with me today. The Classic Set is the perfect place to start if you are just getting into makeup. If you're just finding out about Shine, this is the set for you. I'll show you what it comes with first. You're gonna get a BB cream. You get to pick your choice of BB cream. Again, if you don't know what shade you are yet, you can always DM us on Instagram. We will color match you on the spot. You just need to send us a selfie of your skin in natural lighting and we'll be able to give you that perfect match for you. Okay, you're also gonna get a foundation brush. If you don't already apply your makeup with a brush, this is going to be a game changer for you. Okay, after that, you're going to get a contour stick and a blush stick. These are both cream products, which are also very easy to use, easy to apply, and this foundation brush is perfect for them as well. Then you're going to get our brow wand. This is my favorite brow product that we offer here at Shine. You're going to be able to pick the perfect shade for you. I am going to use the color Virtue today. Then it's gonna come with a black mascara, as well as Hero lip gloss. This is basically a clear pink gloss, looks good on everyone, goes with everything. Okay, this right here, the Classic Set, it's $140. You're basically saving $43 when you buy it all in the set rather than buying each product individually. So let's get started. Okay, starting with the BB cream, I am going to apply it with a brush, but remember, your face, your makeup. You can apply it with your hands, you can apply it with your brush, you can apply it with a sponge. You do you. You'll notice how lightweight it is when you're applying. It is extremely buildable. If you have some problem areas or you have rosacea, you have anything that bothers you and want a little bit more coverage, you can apply that first layer, let it set and dry, and then come in with a little bit more product. But it is still light, extremely moisturizing, and you'll be able to see, like you can still see all of my freckles, still see my skin under there, right? And now look, you have just a flawless base ready for the next step. Okay, I'm going to come in with my contour stick. I picked the color, the shade Uplift. This is definitely a cooler toned, kind of taupey brown. If you are going for a true contour, you wanna go in those cooler tones. We also offer the color Strength. That's basically a bronzing contour stick, which I love and use all the time, but today I wanted to go to that true contour color using a cooler tone. You're gonna notice I'm taking it on the brush. You can take this right onto your face if you prefer it that way and then blend from there. I put a little bit on my foundation brush. I'm gonna start back here at the top by my ear and I'm gonna go right on and below that cheekbone. Notice I'm kind of like stippling the brush rather than pushing and swiping, moving that BB cream around, right? I just want the makeup to go exactly where I'm placing it, accentuating that natural shadow. I'm gonna get a little more product and I'm gonna take this up my hairline, kind of filling in all of that natural shadowing right there. Notice the difference. It's just kind of sculpting my face. You could take a little more or use what's left on your brush and we're gonna bring that down under that jaw. Beautiful, okay. Same thing, other side. For contouring, just think of doing like the number 3, right? You can come here, it's gonna go down your cheekbone, right below your cheekbone, down your jawline. Okay, that's a really simple, easy way. Another thing, if you really want to focus on the lift, is to kind of place your fingers in a V right here, and you can keep that product inside the V, giving you a nice lift. Again, taking it up my hairline. Just to continue that shadow. Gonna get a little more. And take that down my jaw. Beautiful, now you have a nice kind of natural contoured look. All right, next I'm coming in with my blush stick. The classic set comes with the color Independent. This is one of my all-time favorite blush sticks. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I was just applying it directly onto my brush. I'm gonna show you how simple it is to just apply onto your cheek. I'm taking that right above where I did that contour. I'm gonna take a little bit to my nose. And then once I'm blending with my brush, I'll take whatever product's left on it and I'll take that kind of up above that brow bone. Just giving a nice soft kiss of color. You don't have to do your nose. I just like that bit of color right there. I feel like it kind of blends my entire face together. Okay, next is brows. Again, I picked the color Virtue. This is the darkest shade that we offer. You'll notice once you get your brow wand, one side is gonna be the color, the other side is gonna be a spoolie. So I'm gonna start with the spoolie. I'm gonna brush through my brows, kind of pulling them up, fluffing them up. And then I will come in with the other side to add some definition, some color. I want to keep it nice and natural. I'm doing small little hair-like strokes. If you're confident and you love a bold brow, you can go in and just kind of draw them right in. Then you can use the spoolie to move that product around to give it that more natural look. I like to just kind of start easy, just with those small hairs. I find less is more, and also like it's much harder to take product off rather than add more, right? So I kind of start with less and then I can always add a little bit more along the way. You'll notice that subtle difference, but it's just giving me a little bit more depth, definition, and shape. All right, same thing, other side. Little small hair-like strokes. This classic set is perfect for everyday makeup, right? You'll notice it didn't include like an eyeshadow palette or any of the extras that, yes, make makeup so fun, but are just not necessary all the time, right? This really is like most of my can't live without, probably all of my can't live without products. Okay. Right there. I'm gonna come in next with the mascara and then we will finish with the gloss. So quick, so easy. Our mascara at Shine is a tubing mascara. Truly some of the best mascara I've ever tried. It's different than a waterproof mascara. It's long wearing, long lasting. You can cry, you can sweat, you can swim, all of those good things, all of which I do a lot, especially crying and sweating. But it is not going to go anywhere. It's not gonna smudge, it's not gonna flake, it's not gonna smear. I promise you that. It's incredible. At the end of the night, it's different from a waterproof because I feel like that's just so hard. It feels so waxy, you can't get it off. This is not that. You're gonna take some warm water, put it in your hands and kind of rub your lashes, and you can easily just pull and swipe away that product. It'll come off in like little tubes, hence a tubing mascara. So it's magical. If you haven't tried it, I swear by it. Another thing with the mascara, a tubing mascara, is if you do get it up on your eyelid or down below, let it set, let it dry, and then you can come in with a clean spoolie and just like softly flake it away. It's not gonna ruin any of the other makeup that you've already applied, which is so nice. Because I pretty much don't know anyone that can do mascara without getting it on their eyelids. And if you can, teach me your ways. And tell me, are you one that usually gets a Q-tip, licks it, and wipes away your mascara? Because don't pretend like you've never done that, because I know you have, we all have. But there are better ways. You'll notice I'm still using the same. And I've done both eyes, top and bottom, which is amazing. So simple. These. Notice I'm just softly flaking it away. Easy. Okay, last thing, the gloss. Hero lip gloss. Tried and true, one of my very favorites. Pretty much wear it every day. It can go on top of any of our other colors. It can also be worn alone. It's absolutely beautiful. The lip gloss is moisturizing. It's not sticky. And it's gonna give you the perfect amount of shine. Okay, how fun, how easy. It looks beautiful, it looks simple. It was simple, right? It took only a couple of minutes. And I look put together, I feel put together, I feel more confident, I feel ready to go face the day. So once again, this was our classics set here at Shine Cosmetics. You're going to get a BB cream, the foundation brush, our contour and blush sticks, our black mascara, your brow wand, and your gloss. All for $140, saving like 43 bucks. Incredible. See you next time.